Have you ever wondered if a robot can create art that truly resonates with us? Today, we're exploring the fascinating realm of digital canvases and how AI is transforming our creative expressions. Art has always been a powerful medium for sharing feelings and ideas. With technology advancing rapidly, digital canvases and AI are making art more accessible than ever before. This means anyone can unleash their creativity, regardless of their artistic background. Let's dive into how these tools are reshaping the art world. 1. Digital canvases are virtual spaces on our devices where we can create art using software, similar to traditional painting. They offer endless possibilities. Colors, tools, and styles are just a click away too. AI can analyze thousands of artworks and learn various styles, assisting artists in crafting unique pieces. Imagine having a virtual assistant that suggests ideas or even generates artwork based on your concepts. 3. One notable example is AI-generated paintings that have fetched thousands at auctions. Artists are using AI tools to blend styles, create original works, or remix their own pieces, showcasing the beautiful synergy between technology and creativity. 4. While AI can create art, it doesn't replace the human touch. Instead, it inspires artists and encourages them to think outside the box, making the creative process even more exciting. 5. Thanks to digital canvases and AI tools, anyone can start creating art without needing expensive materials or formal training. This opens doors for aspiring artists everywhere. 1. Websites like DALL-E or Artbreeder let you create art using simple prompts. Give it a shot. 2. Free tools like Krita or GIMP can kickstart your journey on a digital canvas. 3. Platforms like DeviantArt or Instagram allow you to share your work and learn from others. Feel free to experiment, but remember that AI-generated art should enhance your creativity, not overshadow it. It's crucial to maintain your unique voice and style, even when using these tools. So, can a robot create heartfelt art? While AI can help generate stunning pieces, the true magic lies in the human connection to creativity. Why not give it a try? Explore these tools and share your creations with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the captivating world of art and technology. Insert URLs here. 1. Hey there! Have you ever considered how digital canvases and AI are reshaping our understanding of art? Today, we're diving into how these technologies are transforming creativity and making art more accessible than ever. Understanding the impact of digital canvases and AI on art is crucial because it encourages everyone, whether you're a seasoned artist or just curious about creativity, to explore their artistic side. Art is no longer limited to traditional methods. Now, anyone with a device can create stunning visuals. This shift is redefining what creativity means in our digital age. 3. 1. Digital canvases have opened the door to creativity for everyone. You don't need to spend a fortune on supplies or years honing your skills to get started. With just a tablet or even a smartphone, anyone can create beautiful art. This democratization inspires more people to express themselves artistically. 2. AI plays a unique role in art creation, suggesting colors, styles, or even generating ideas. Imagine having a creative buddy who's always brimming with inspiration. This collaboration can lead to fresh concepts that artists may not have considered on their own. 3. Digital canvases make it easy for artists to mix different styles. You can merge classical techniques with modern graphics to create something entirely new, resulting in innovative art forms that push the boundaries of creativity. 4. Unlike traditional art, digital canvases provide immediate feedback. You can tweak your work on the fly, experimenting with different elements until it feels just right. This real-time process encourages exploration and enhances learning. 5. As we embrace AI tools, some people worry about the authenticity of art. Is it still real if an AI helped create it? This question sparks discussions about what we value in art, challenging our perceptions and inviting deeper conversations about creativity. 4. If you're eager to try digital canvases, here are some simple steps to kick off your journey. 1. Start with free apps like Procreate, Krita, or online platforms like Canva. 2. Check out beginner videos on YouTube to get familiar with your chosen app. 3. Create something without stressing about perfection. Just let your creativity flow. 4. Explore AI art generators like DALL-E or Artbreeder to see how they can inspire your projects. 5. One common pitfall is overthinking. Don't let the fear of creating something bad hold you back from expressing yourself. Remember, art is about expression, not perfection. Also, be cautious not to rely too heavily on AI. Use it as a tool to enhance your creativity, not as a crutch. 6. So there you have it. Digital canvases and AI are transforming the art world, making creativity more accessible and exciting. Why not give it a shot? Dive into your digital canvas today and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your art journey with us in the comments. 7. No sources provided. 1. Have you ever imagined a world where creating art is just a few clicks away? With digital canvases and AI, that world is already here. Let's explore how these groundbreaking tools are reshaping our understanding of creativity. 2. Art has always mirrored culture and technology. As we embrace new tools, more people are discovering their creative potential, regardless of their background or experience. Digital canvases are revolutionizing art creation and making it accessible to everyone. This is a true game changer for both aspiring artists and art lovers. Think of a digital canvas as an online blank space where you can paint, draw, or design using various software. Unlike traditional canvases, these digital versions can be easily edited, shared, and stored. AI serves as an incredible ally for artists. It can generate ideas, suggest color palettes, and even create entire pieces of art, allowing artists to concentrate on their vision while AI handles some of the technical details. One of the most exciting aspects of digital canvases and AI is their ability to break down barriers. You don't need to be a professional artist to create something beautiful. User-friendly tools are available for anyone, opening up new avenues for self-expression. Platforms like DALL-E and Midjourney enable users to generate stunning images in just minutes. Artists can utilize these tools for brainstorming or enhancing their work, acting as a creative partner right at their fingertips. The digital art community is thriving, with spaces where creators can share their work, receive feedback, and collaborate. This sense of belonging can inspire even more people to embark on their artistic journeys. Try out free digital art tools like Krita or Canva to kickstart your creative journey. Use an AI art generator like DALL-E to discover the unique images you can create. Platforms like DeviantArt or Reddit have dedicated spaces for digital artists to connect and share. While AI is a fantastic tool, don't let it do all the thinking for you. Your unique voice is what makes your art special. Embrace constructive criticism. It can be invaluable for your growth as an artist.